Okay. Celebrate. I really like how this the skills are color coordinated based off of your little goal analysis map. It makes it like all come together as one piece. Um, to understand it more. Something that I am curious about is how um like what strategy or whatever to unpack the teaks. Like how do you plan on doing that with pre-service teachers? Because I know as a pre-service teacher not that long ago, I did not understand the teaks at all. Didn't matter how many times we said it. But how you plan on doing this that's my question moving forward.
Awesome. So actually, still in my head, I have a template that I would like to use, a graphic organizer. And so that way I'm going to have it to where they unpack the teaks, where they actually pick a standard, write the entire standard, and then annotate it with the nouns and put the nouns in one box, and then look at Lead Forward to see if there's a image or a test question that associates with that. And then also have them annotate the verbs. So that way, when they go to write their objective, they can pick one verb with one noun and put it together and make a mini lesson.
Gotcha.
So that way, because, some of the TEKS are so broad, they're like, students will write an equation in y equals mx plus b from a graph, a table, 2 points, and word problems. That means that ultimately that makes that's 5 different lessons in one TEK. And so for pre-service teachers, they don't understand that's 5 lessons.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
So
Exactly.
I'm hoping to use that as a part where they can curb their mini lesson.
Cool. Sounds good.
I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. So what I really love the colors of this graphic. And I also like the idea that for the goal clarification, that you're trying to clarify by listing what the standards were for the teachers to use. So that way that they're not just searching the internet all willy-nilly, or like it really narrowed it down.
Mm-hmm.
So that they're not looking at all 27 fifth grade TEKS at one time. So those are things that I really, really like. What I did wonder is on and this was what I've been wondering all day, even about mine. So with the subordinate objectives, I really had been thinking a lot about that, where it just going back to, this is the part that's been just eating my brain. Like, what are the conditions? Because you clearly have the behavior stated and you have most of the criteria there. And so that's where I've wondered, like, if you added the condition to that, if it will help make more sense just to close that objective out.
Okay. Conditions, behavior, criteria for the objectives.
Right. Well, you have the behavior.
Mm-hmm. It just
Right.
needs some tweaking.
Right here. Pretty much behavior is verbs.
Mm-hmm.
You're going to be engaging. And then right here, you're going to be analyzing. So you have your behaviors in, and I noticed that there's behaviors in all of those, and even conditions in them. And I think it's just going back to be specific about the criteria. And then even whenever I thought I was specific, with my criteria, I still need to be more specific by including the Star Hero journey.
Mhm.
So overall, I'm really impressed with this level of thinking and work that you've managed to get done.
No, yeah, I'm like, I will get there.